To begin, click on the scheduling link included in the email sent by the admissions office. Log in using your Tulane username, which is your Tulane email without the @tulane.edu portion, and your email password. This is the same password you use to access your Gibson portal and Tulane email account. If you need help resetting your password, go to password.tulane.edu. Click on the Make Appointment button. Next, select the day of the week and time of day you prefer for your appointment. For the widest selection of options, use the default settings of all days and all times. Your assigned summer advisor will be listed as the advisor option. Click the blue square next to the appointment you'd like to reserve. Please choose your appointment date and time carefully. All appointment times are listed in Central Time. We ask that you make every effort to attend the appointment you book. We can reschedule if you must, but rescheduling your appointment will likely result in a significant delay in advising and registration, and we want to make sure that your transition to Tulane gets off to a great start as soon as possible. Your appointment will be virtual, so you'll need access to a fully charged computer and reliable internet connection. Since you and your advisor will be looking at course information together and registering for classes online, the appointment is best conducted on a laptop or desktop rather than a phone or tablet. All appointments will last approximately
30 minutes.
Please select Academic Planning as the appointment reason code and confirm your cell phone number and Tulane email address. Click Continue and you're all set. You will receive a confirmation email with important reminders after you successfully book your advising appointment. The confirmation email will also include the Zoom link for the appointment. We are looking forward to working with you. Please note, if you must reschedule or cancel your appointment, we ask that you do so a minimum of 24 hours in advance. You may log into the appointment system to make changes, or you can call us at 504-865-5798. We are open Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time.